What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Savers. So I never come to Savers because their prices are insane. They're terrible. We're gonna find out soon though. Maybe we'll find some stuff to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. So yeah, I haven't been here in I don't know, months, a year, over a year, 2 years. It's been so long. We'll take a look at all the prices together. They're doing maybe some Black Friday stuff. They are. Spend $30, save 20%, $50, save $25, $75, save $30. That could definitely help us. All right, so it's a little jam-packed in here. They got some board games, some media. I heard somebody scanning on eBay, so that's funny. Let's see how much the media is. A regular DVD, $3. Okay, that's pretty normal. And a Blu-ray, $3. Okay, that's actually not terrible. We might be able to find some stuff there. And this looks like it's all children's DVDs. Some board games. I see a cool Yahtzee Jr. actually. Spider-Man Yahtzee Jr. This might have some value. Feels kind of empty for $4.49. That's actually pretty good. We're gonna take a look through some of this stuff and see if we find anything. I see a Guess Who is sometimes really good. Buckaroo, I've sold that before, only $5. It's actually really good. Cool Alien Autopsy. What is this for 99 cents? Alien Autopsy Fact or Fiction. This is cool. I might grab this just for myself. I like that. Alright, so after thoroughly going through this board game section, you can see there's a lot of games. The majority of them, $5. Smaller open puzzles are $3. There's some for $6. But take a look at the cart. It's looking great right here. We got a couple sealed games. We got a sealed Clue Junior. I'll pop the price up right here, going for great money. It's about, I think, $70. Comment Below game for $6. Sealed. Pop the price up here. I think I'll profit about 10. Not bad. And then the used stuff. We got Guess Who, Buckaroo. I sell that all the time. I always have a hard time picking up these operation games because they use batteries, and kids always leave batteries in them before they get donated, and when I open it up, I bet you all the batteries are going to be exploded. We'll find out. We'll find out soon. Fibber, I have a good time selling these all the time. Clue Harry Potter, so pretty nice score in the board game section. Alright, so moving over from all these board games, I see some media here, and I like seeing some sealed things. Moulin Rouge isn't going to be anything worth much, but you never know. There could be something else sealed. What do we have here? Beethoven Lives Upstairs. That is weird. The live-action movie. Animated games. Okay, I'll try to look that up. Rabbit Hole. Never heard of that. We'll look into that. Uncle Drew. That used to actually be worth something. I've sold that a couple times in the past. So I'm going to do a little bit of scanning in the media here. Hopefully we find a few things. So right before scanning, my lovely assistant brought over this Ren and Stimpy Lost DVD. It looked like it had value. It's $3. I scanned it in, and take a look at this. Great rank. She knows exactly what to look for. $17. I'm going to profit a little over $6 on it. Easy money on that guy. Very cool DVD to keep an eye out for, Ren and Stimpy. Alright, I found some VHS tapes. Lots of Christmas stuff here. Perfect for this time of year. Love seeing all this, especially the weird stuff, which is what I got right here. And I just had a feeling this stuff would have some value. We have a Rugrats Kwanzaa. Never heard of it, but it's weird enough to where it's got to have some value. Take a look at that. I think like $25. Definitely grabbing it. These are all 99 cents each. We have a Walt Disney Christmas. Never even heard of it. Again, it's like $30. Pretty crazy. Grab that. And then this I grabbed because it was so creepy looking. If anybody has seen this, let me know down below in the comments. The Life and Adventures of Santa Claus. Look at that guy. What is that? I don't know, but at 99 cents, I had to look it up and take a look at that. $20, $25 easily. This is the time of year to get this type of stuff sent into Amazon. So if you guys go to Goodwills, Savers, Salvation Armies, anything like that, go check the media, check the books, look at anything Christmas related. Get that stuff listed within the next week or two and make some money. Going in the cart. Oh, I also found a couple DVDs that were worth it. This Rabbit Hole, selling for about $22 or so. $3, easy money. And then Beethoven Lives Upstairs was a little over 15. So that's all I found. The DVDs, the VHS were a little bit better. Alright, so I left the media section. Wasn't really finding too much more over there, but there's a whole bunch of kids' toys over here I definitely want to check out. Got some baggies. Sometimes the baggies can be okay. Let's see if anything good is here. Sometimes you'll find a little baggie like this for $249, $349 filled with Lego minifigures, and that's easy profits. These kinds of things though, these naked Barbie dolls, naked Cabbage Patch Kid, I don't think so. None of this is that cool. Who we have here, is that Shaggy? Yeah, there's a couple Shaggies in here. I don't think so. What do we see? Anything good? Is it Sonic? A little Sonic. No, not really. We have about half of a Jenga set for half the price, $349. I'm definitely not getting that. So it looks like this little baggy section isn't the best. We'll keep looking though. One toy to keep an eye out for in the plush area are the original Furbies. I've sold them online. I'll pop a couple prices up here for crazy money. They always sell really, really, really well. These Thai Beanie Boos, sometimes this Beanie Ball, maybe since it's a outer space monkey, it's a little weird. Could be worth a little something, I doubt it, but definitely keep an eye out for the Furbies. They always do super good for me. Especially, you know, you got to make sure they work though. They take batteries. That's the issue. A lot of times they don't work fully. All right, they got a bunch more toys over here. Some more board games hidden back here. We have here a sealed puzzle of Alice in Wonderland. That's actually a really cool looking puzzle for $6. We'll look that up in a second. We'll grab it. What else do they have over here? Not seeing. Oh, this Deal or No Deal game. I actually just sold this on Amazon today for I think like $20. They don't sell for too much if it's like $1 or $2, but yeah, $5. That's kind of what the price is here. So I'll probably just leave that behind. Simon, I've sold those a few times in the past also, but it's tough buying things with batteries because a lot of times the batteries have already exploded inside and I end up having to throw these things out, which I don't like doing. It's a waste of money. This is kind of cool. Interactive US president list. Sadly, it's like 3 presidents old. So, when is this from? Doesn't say, but it's got to be at least before 2008. And does it work? Probably not. We'll leave that. Alright, had to put the puzzle back. It is not on Amazon, and I actually can't find it scanning that barcode. Nothing comes up. It's cool. I mean, for $6 though, it might only sell for $15 or $20 on eBay. Free shipping. Shipping alone on this could be $8, $9. Just not enough in it. It's a cool puzzle though. We're leaving it behind. Alright, now it's time for the housewares. See what we find here. These Wilton cake pans. Is that a Pink Panther? I always do pretty good on these. Yeah, it is a Pink Panther. This one's a little dirtier than I'd like. There's a lot of gunk in there. They're easy to wash, so you just stick them in the dishwasher. How you look them up, they all have this little code on here. I just type in Wilton 502-4548. Let's see if this comes up on Amazon. How much do they want? $349. Let's see if it's worth it. So this is a bit of an issue with these sometimes. I typed in the numbers, nothing came up. So then I just tried Pink Panther cake pan, and it's giving me a paw, a horse, a Barbie, a Dora the Explorer, castle. Yeah, so definitely nothing great. You can see some of the prices on these are really cheap. Not all of them are worth something. This Pocahontas one only sells for $12.98. You'd only make $3, and it has a super high rank. It would take forever to sell, so that's not a good one. We'll put this back. All right, so I'm checking out this kind of homeware section, and I noticed something honestly kind of weird. It's a smart box, fun for all. Has anybody ever seen this? This box contains a gift card valid for 2 people or more. Choose from more than 105 activities across the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. Flipped it over, gift card's still on there, and I guess you have to scratch off that activation code on there. And take a look at this. Experience a day like never before. Challenge yourself with a fencing lesson. All these fun things. Choose an activity, book directly with the provider, and present the gift card. And here's all the different activities. New York, we could go wine tasting on a vineyard, salsa lessons, Ground Zero Museum, all these things. We're pretty close to New York, so with this gift card at $2.99, I was like, well, surely the gift card has to expire or something. I read the fine print down here. This Smartbox gift card has no expiration date and offers a selection of products and services valid at the time of print. Hopefully some of them are still worth it. There's no year on it. I'm gonna grab it and give it a shot, and hopefully you guys will see in a future video Me having fun for $2.99. So I know sometimes people like to find the Starbucks mugs, but maybe Dunkin' Donuts mugs also have value? I'm not gonna grab this one. It's $2.49, Massachusetts, but there's a lot of like cracks and scratches on it. I don't know if those are cracks, maybe just scratches. Maybe it'll come off with a magic eraser. No, it's going through the artwork also. That's a shame. It's a cool looking mug, but it's in really rough shape. We'll leave it. This area of the thrift store, I pretty much always avoid. Let me know if you guys ever find anything here worth anything. Decorative plates and beer steins never have value. I mean, I don't think I've ever sold a single beer stein online. Let's see what they're asking. Yeah, $6, $8. I mean, even if these were 50 cents each, I wouldn't grab them. They just don't sell very well. Same thing with decorative plates. I think I might have sold one decorative plate in my entire reselling career. Granted, I've probably only listed like 5, but every time I ever looked them up when I first started reselling, none of these were ever worth anything. So I just stay clear of this area. I'm sure there's exceptions to the rule. I just don't know them. And if you guys know them, let me know, because I'd like to give this section more of a shot. But I think we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna see if there's anything else. That's a cute little doggy right here. Maybe in the glass case over here there's a few things. I don't think so, but we'll take a look behind the counter there. All right, I don't see anything back here, but I found these cool little things. $15.99 for some jewelry. There's 2 of them. I mean, I don't know if there's any gold or anything in here. I highly doubt it, because look, they pull everything out that's probably actual gold and silver, and they price it by itself. So when you see this definitely has nothing in it, because they know what they're looking for. Look at that. They even pull out the earrings and everything that has some value. But there's a cool little butterfly in here. What does it say on the bottom? Something China. Yeah. Who knows though? For $15.99, there could be some value in here. Same thing in this one. I'm gonna leave them. I'm not gonna grab them, but kind of neat. Not something I'd mess with.